pizza that we just ate. The Sprite bottle. Sprite dos Estados Unidos. Now agora a gente tem esse motherboard montado. Olha o tamanho da faca. Tem mais um aí. Mais um aí. E talvez mais um aqui, né? Dude, you do it so slow and like unprofessionally.
No, dude, this fucking thing is blocking it and shit. There you go.
It goes right in there. Isso é perfeito. Som fudido para isso. Todas as caixinhas. Som 5.1. Essa é o computer. Computador pequenininho, laptop. A gente comprou hoje. É bom pra caralho. Ele liga sozinho. E de novo. Diego.
I'm talking about the move. I stand in front of the TV.
Yes, Diego. That's like amazing.
What's amazing,
And
man?
he's fucking like drinking and shit.
There's no more drinking anymore.
And exactly, that's like the funniest part.
Any more drink though? And pizza?
What happened?
One more pizza and drink. But I can't see the TV.
Back to the one. Doesn't know what screw it is. It's always like this.
Oh, I know which one.
No, you don't. Terry gotta be like all perfect and shit. Or he will not leave his house.
Seriously. Come on, fucking screw.
All these computers and shit.
Yo, I look like a geek right now.
No, you don't. That's the funniest part.
Are you serious?
You don't look like a geek because geeks usually don't have styles. Like they can't dress.
No lying.
They need their computer. You saw the guy fucking at Computer USA, like the way he is and shit.
I know, right?
Look at the jeans that like the pants.
Yo, did you
he
see how
chooses.
interested
There's
he
so many
was,
jeans
like-
and stuff to choose. He chooses that
You
one
saw,
to work with, you know.
you saw how interested he was in being our friend?
Yeah.
Did you
No,
realize
because
that?
like we made his job fun.
Exactly. Like, we were like talking to him.
We
And
made
shit. He was
the
asking
time-
me like, "Yo, so what are you doing in school?" Like, like I was talking to him about computers. Like I know exactly what he knows.
Yeah.
And we were like, he's like bonding with me and shit. Fuck.
We made his job so fun. Like the time flew by. You saw that shit?
Yeah.
Like he was like, "Oh my god!" Like time flew by. Like I didn't even know it was 10 before 9. An hour and a half like passed by.
Where's this thing?
Yeah, I remember when I used to be into cars, like filming car shit. I'm filming computer shit.
Weird change, right?
Isn't that weird? And we were in boxing too. Now we're like in computers.
It's a weird change, I'm telling you.
Look at this.
You got that shit right? There's no like.
Look at this. Stop it. Don't go. Just ask you to look at it.
Oh shit. Yeah, shit.
What, son?
That blonde girl's ass.
Yeah, that's a sick room. Like that picture behind that, like the blue behind it, that's fucking nice.
I can't even look at the painting right now. Look at that amazing ass. Blue screen. Nice. Ali Muhammad.